Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Maria is a charming town located in the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula of Quebec. Nestled along the Baie de Chaleurs, Maria is a peaceful and scenic community that's full of history, natural beauty, and warm hospitality. Maria is part of the traditional Mi'kmaq territory and has deep indigenous roots. The Mi'kmaq people have lived in this area for thousands of years, using the waters of the Baie de Chaleurs for fishing and transportation. The name Maria actually comes from Mother Mary, given by early French settlers in the area. The Baie de Chaleurs, or Bay of Warmth, is one of the most striking features of this region. It's called that because its waters are warmer than most other parts of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. This bay is also one of the most beautiful in the world, known for its calm waves, stunning sunsets, and abundant marine life. Maria is surrounded by a mix of farmland and lush forests. The area is perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and snowshoeing in the winter. Maria has a close-knit community vibe and a strong connection to its heritage. Many of the buildings here reflect the history of the settlers who came to this region in the 18th and 19th centuries. You'll find small, locally owned shops, cozy cafes, and beautiful churches that are worth a visit. Maria is a hidden gem in the Gaspé Peninsula, a place where you can relax, enjoy nature, and connect with the history of the land. Whether you're here for the stunning views, the outdoor adventures, or the peaceful atmosphere, Maria has something special to offer.